Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from SBI account to your UK bank account. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your SBI account. First, log into your SBI account using the mobile app or website with your username and password. Step 2. Navigate the international transfer section. Once logged in, go to the Payments, Transfers section and select International Transfer or Remittance. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details including their bank name, SWIFT, BIC code, account number, and address. Make sure to double check these details. Step 4. Enter transfer amount. Now, enter the amount you want to send in INR and review the conversion rate and service charge before proceeding. Step 5. Verify and confirm the transfer. Review the details, confirm the transfer, and that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.